The lettering on a badge is either engraved or reverse enamel, and in this video, we're going to explain the difference between these two options. First up, let's talk about engraved lettering. With this method, a rotary engraver makes a deep cut into the surface of a metal part. We can engrave anything you want as long as it fits on the panel. Engraved lettering makes personalizing your badge easy. Once the lettering is engraved, we fill the letters with a colored enamel. Engraved lettering is very popular because it can be designed using our visual badge program and it requires no special setup. Second, let's talk about reverse enamel. What you will notice with reverse enamel is that the letters are metal and everything around it is colored enamel. This is the exact opposite of engraving. We actually cut the lettering into a piece of steel known as a die. The die is then used to make the panel. We can provide any lettering as long as it fits on the panel. If you find a reverse enamel design that you like, then think about the lettering you want and contact us. We have a large selection of titles available, so most likely we would just need to make a steel die for your unique panel that has your department name on it. If you're wondering which one is better, the answer is simple. It is totally a personal preference. There is no difference in quality between engraving and reverse enamel. It is just a different look. The other question we get a lot is about the difference in cost. If you're comparing two identical models, you will find that the reverse enamel version will be a little more expensive, and there may be a setup cost associated with it depending on the size of your order. If you have any additional questions about the difference between engraved and reverse enamel lettering, please contact us. We appreciate your business and are glad to help.